Alright everybody, welcome back. This is day 30. We are still on our way to the Lazarus complex, but we're hitting places. So we are hitting Habitat Knoll 03-12-3. So I'm going to slow it down to 100%. We're going to coast in. I don't know what I'm going to expect here, but I don't know. Alright, we're going to go at impulse. I don't know what this one is, but we're fixing to find out. Alright, we're going to go hook up. Oh, crap, there's a rolly. A roly-poly. A roly-poly. And what we're going to do, we're just going to turn sideways. Get alongside of it. Alright, about face. One down. Now how do I get in there? Holy shit. Man, this game got a lot of jump scares. Okay. Aww. Little popcorn dude. Hello. I'll take all the money in the world. Okay, I gotta get rid of this guy. I hear him, it's just loud. Alright, time to go on up to the next level. I'll take that. Oh, there's the ladder. Hey, shooting areas. nice. Oh my. Good lord. Someone pull me up with the... Sorry. Oh my god, I thought there was another one. Huh! And huh! Huh! On it, take it. Oh, hello there, robot. Okay, I gotta get rid of that guy. Alright, so it looks like I might be done in this area once I go to the top. Check it out. What's down here? Grenades. Nothing else. Oh, for a minute I thought it was a giant sea serpent underneath there because of the light reflecting off the ladder. Alright, we're going to jump up here. We'll see if anything's worthwhile up here. Oh. Yep. Now we're going to jump up here. Jump up here. And there was a ladder. Didn't even know it. Oh, hello. I need to find that entrance. Okay, we're going to go back up in here. We'll check this all out again, make sure nothing in there. I don't give a shit about the batteries. Got another dead robot. Alright. Looks like we are officially done in here. Couldn't figure out how to get out. Alright. I am going to go check the other side again. Make sure there's nothing over here I missed. What was that? I got attacked by something, but I couldn't tell what it was. Okay, nothing there, nothing there. Alright, I think we are officially done here. So that was way too easy. Yep. I'm officially done here. Where am I going? Oh, Lazarus Complex. Alright, let's go. Yo! Alright, everybody, that's going to be the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. I mean, it was short, but hey, we knocked it out. That was Habitat. What? Habitat Knoll 03-12-.3. And now we're on our way. Oh, no, we have another one. Oh, we already done Lincoln Grave. Yeah, we've already done Lincoln Grave. So, next stop is Lazarus Complex. Alright, y'all. See you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.